Yo, family, how are you doing, guys? Also, I have this 10k account, around 10k. I post already about this Prop Firm. I uploaded the video, but now I want to show for you guys for cryptocurrency, only cryptocurrency free fund account for you guys. You know what I mean? You only trade in this account BTC and Ethereum. So if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, only two of them, no others. But this morning I posted one video that includes all cryptocurrency and forex. But now this is only for BTC and Ethereum traders. So this free account, how you can get and which code you use, I will show for you guys all the steps. Look at here, 2-day countdown, 02. Only 2 hours or around 2 days remain to finish. So after 3 days or 4 days, maybe this bonus, I don't know, it extended up to 1 month. I don't know, maybe it extend, but it says now have 2 days to claim this bonus. So now let's go inside and I try to explain how you can get and which code you use for BTC and Ethereum traders only. First of all, you come here and join to the I will put this link in the description section. Then you join there and you can register first. Then you get a verification code in your email. Then put OTP in your registration form. Then submit. After you register and log in here, you come here. After you log in, this dashboard, this page you can find here. So first you need to register. After that, login and come here. So now from this we start. Where we can get this account is here. Purchase here. It is free, 100% free. But you come here in this purchase area. In this section now we have to get this free account. Look at here. The same to this morning another video I uploaded, but this one is second one, another one. So now we come here and get here free account. This is only for BTC and Ethereum traders. So now legend tournament, I uploaded this video morning, this legend one, but now short-term competition. I explain, not competition this one. You know, it says short-term competition. No, this is no competition. You don't compete with anyone. Just only you reach target, profit target. Look at here, what it says. And I chatted with the customer support about this one, short-term competition, it says. But the topic, it says short-term competition. No, not this competition. This is depending on you. Just all track, all journey to reach this profit target depending on you. It depends on you. So now we have to claim this one by using this code and this way. So look at it. Stage reward is in phase 1 to pass to finish phase 1 you will get 600 USD. Then by using this 600 USD, profit target is 100%, 600 USD in phase 1. In phase 1 you must reach 100% profit target. Then in phase 2 you will get this one. In phase 2 $3,000 you will get to start trading. Then you reach $300 profit target. It's very easy. Phase 1 is a little bit hard, but if you are committed, dedicated for forex trader, for BTC and crypto Ethereum trading, then you will achieve easily this 100% profit. 600 you get 600. In phase 2 you get 3,000 USD. Then only you target is 300. This is very, very, very easy. Now look at it. In one day, you cannot get profit like 2%. This must be less than 2% profit in one day. You achieve. You cannot get $250 in one day. 2%, more than 2% means 600, 2% means you can calculate it. So, and here also 2% of this 300, you cannot get this profit, more than 2% of your account. So maximum daily drawdown is 6% of your account. 6% of this 600 means you calculate it. This is maximum drawdown. You don't get. It means 150, I think. Look at this is maximum lose. Maximum lose is 150, and here also 150 maximum lose in phase 2. So daily lose is 6%. Phase 1 and phase 2. Maximum profit is 2%. You don't make more than 2%. Then you go and see here maximum lose of this one. Trading currency is BTC only and Ethereum. Look at it. This one also BTC and Ethereum. Here also look at. This is funding stage. This is another one, real trading funded stage. After you finish phase 1 and phase 2, you don't have profit target. You don't have maximum effective, which is a daily profit, not more than something that is no rule. Here, after you funded, no maximum daily drawdown, none. Only you have maximum overall lose 150 in funding stage. You trade BTC and Ethereum, and you can trade here. Weekend you can trade, news you can trade with the minimum spread. So you can trade all things in weekend. So also here you can free click here. Click here, you come here. We choose what? Short-term competition, right? Free short-term competition, right? So now we put here our names, our address, all information, and the email address will automatically come here, and it's default. Just skip it and come here. Your country and your city and the code, everything. So you put here your information. After that you come here, click these two boxes. After you click these two boxes, here you come and buy this account. It's free. Now look at it. Save. This is my address. Now I got this account. Profit target almost 3. Current equity is 3,000. Wow, I got 3,000, but I assume it's 600. Oh, 300. I got 300. Yeah, amazing. In phase 1, even in phase 1, I got 3,000 in phase 1. No 600, 3,000. Then I get from that this 3,600 target to pass this phase 1. In phase 2 as well, in maximum lose This is phase 2. In phase 2 I will get this 3000 as well. So now I am trading in phase 1. So I already got the message in my email, the credentials. You can find your login credentials in the login password in the login credential, all credentials you can get in your email box. So you find in your email box, and you trade this by following these all terms and the conditions. So terms and the conditions very easy. I am sure easy. Really 6,600 you make from this. Almost in 1 week you can finish if you trade consecutively. If you trade consecutively, you can reach 600. 150 in 4 days you can finish this one. So now you have how we can log in, which platform we use to log in. We use download here the application. So for that I will do one video how you can download and how you can claim, how you can download and use the app, how you can trade, and how you can log in. So all close and open position. So all position is how you can trade in this application by using this 3000 USD to pass phase 1 and phase 2, then you can be funded. So this all. See you next time. Bye bye.